Wait.
Wow. There used to be another elevator there that was ripped out.
No one called it.
Okay, let's go up first.
This is Macy's. How big gallery? See over there, used to be the second floor.
Work. I think this was May Company originally. It looks like the one at Crenshaw. This was May Company, I think. Most definitely is. This was not the Broadway. I love these carpet walls.
Floor 3. My controller for sure.
I'm gonna get a good picture of these on one floor.
Yeah. Floor B.
Let's switch sides.
Yeah.
3. Oh, what's?
This must be employed.
Oh. All right.
Someone coming?
Yeah, someone was coming on. Let's get off at 3, yeah?
Floor 3. I say get off at 1. I want to ride down.
Okay. Well, I might get off at 3. I'll meet you.
Okay.